What up, best friends? So about 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago, I posted these nails on my social media, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, on my stories. I posted it and you guys wanted to see how I did it. I had an overwhelming response. So I redid these nails because that was my first time trying them, and so this was my second time, and these are super easy, super quick, 30 minutes, you're in, you're out, you're ready to go. You're gonna have long nails, you ready to like strut with your bomb rings. And I love these because they're glittered, but the camera did not do it justice. You have to see it in person. So the kit that I use is from Young Nails. Now this kit is definitely expensive. It's about $199. I got it from my local nail supply store here in Los Angeles. Amazon do carry it for $199, but this is super easy. You can just get the specific materials that you need from Amazon or anywhere, or Sally's, and you can do these yourself. Okay, so I will list all the products that I use down below in the description box, but it's up to you if you want to purchase this entire kit. I did because I was doing nails and it came with everything: glue, different color acrylics, brushes, everything that you could think of, nail forms, tips, everything comes in that kit. Alright, so I'm going to use the blush pink that's in this Young Nails kit. It's a baby pink with a lot of glitter in it, and it's so pretty. You're going to need a brush, you're going to need some monomer, you're going to need dual forms for this. We're not going to use any type of glue, we're not going to use any nail tips, we're going to use dual forms. And I love dual forms because they're so beginner friendly. You don't need a drill or anything like that. You just need your dual forms and your products, and you're ready to go. Alright, so this is the monomer I'm going to use. I love Young Nails monomer because it's not very strong. It's not very strong smelling, so it's very easy to, you know, use, and it doesn't stink up the house. It doesn't smell like nail salon. So I wanted to show you guys what the actual acrylic color is. Like I said, it's a very natural soft pink with a lot of glitter in it. And again, the cameras just does not do this acrylic color any justice because it's so pretty and sparkly. So the dual forms that I'm gonna use is from Makartt. I have used these before with my polygel review or tutorial, and basically you want to pick out the dual forms that fit each and every single one of your nails. I picked out 4 because of the fact that 2 of them fits my nails perfectly. So what you want to do is you want to pick up your dual form, you want to dip your brush into the monomer, you want to graze the side of your brush to release excess monomer out, because you don't want your bead to be too runny. Alright, if it's too runny, it's just going to fall right out of the dual form. If it's too dry, it's going to dry up super quick where it won't let you put the bead onto the nail. Alright, so you want it in between. That's why you want to just graze the brush on the side so all the excess monomer can come out. Alright, so I like to work from the tip to the cuticle for the dual form because of the fact that I want the tip to dry fast and the dual form and in the cuticle, I'm sorry, to dry slower, because since this is acrylic and not polygel, it's going to dry super fast. So I want to apply the acrylic on the cuticle area of the dual form last, so I can have time to put it on my nails and fix any imperfections that I see. So I'm going to dip my brush into the monomer, and when you push the dual form onto your nail bed, you're going to have some spillage, okay? It's normal. All you're going to do is take your brush and you're going to turn your nail upside down and lay it on your desk or whatever you're working on, and lightly, you know, smooth out underneath the nail, because the product is going to spill out from underneath where your nail bed is. And so you just want to make it smooth so it'll look like you just got your nails done from the shop, and nobody's going to know that you did it from home. DIY. So yeah, I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to place the product on the bottom half of the nail first. I'm going to build it up. I'm going to put enough beads that I need to do there, and I'm going to just work a bit faster than I normally work because this is acrylic and it will dry faster. Okay, so I'm gonna do my beads. I'm making sure my brush is medium wet, and I'm just gonna apply all the beads that I need, and then I'm gonna flip the dual form over, place it on my nails. As you see, I'm going in an angle so I can get it right next to my cuticle so it could be flush. If you have any spill out, just wipe it off on your towel or your paper towel like I'm doing, and just hold it there until it kind of dries up a little bit, because it's gonna try to, you know, pop off because of the product underneath. But just hold it a little bit so it can tighten up, and you will feel the acrylic tighten up. Flip your nail over, go in with your brush with some monomer on it and smooth out underneath your nail, and that is how you do dual form nails. Alright, so these are what my nails look like. All the dual forms are placed on there except one, because I told you I use 4 because one of them matched 2 of my fingers, and you just want to wiggle it a little bit. Be gentle because your nails probably not all the way fully dry, and you want to wiggle it, and the dual form is just going to pop on off, and then boom, you got a nail. And you didn't need a tip, you didn't need a nail form, no nothing. And it's so smooth, and it's the perfect shape. It has the perfect apex, everything. So this is like beginner's cheat to doing your own nails and not going to the nail shop. Y'all know I love not going to the nail shop. I'm queen DIY. I do everything myself. So, you know, and all you have to do now is just file it. I have a 180 grit filer, and I got this one from Sally's, and I'm just making my nails square. They were already square from the dual forms, and like initially my nails were like coughing a little bit the first time I did these, but I like them square. It was easy for me to do it. It was quick and simple. So, and I just left them in a square shape, and I just cleaned up the nails a little bit. And after I did that, I applied OPI's top coat on it, and they were good to go. Now these nails will last you about 2 weeks before they might pop off, but mine's pop off because I wear a rubber base coat underneath my nails before I put this product on there. And that's because I've been doing a lot of nail videos since I've been getting a lot of views on the ones that I have posted. So if you want your nails to last longer, make sure you buff your nails before you put any product on there. And you want to use a protein bond and things like that to just make your nails last a little bit longer. Alright, so I'm a buff the nails so I can apply a top coat from OPI on there, and that is about it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them down in the description. In the comment box or comment area. Okay, if you guys want to see more nail tutorials, because I have some more stuff that I've been dying to try. So if you guys want to see that, let me know down in the comment area. I love DIYs, and I hope you guys do too. Save that coin, sis. Stop going to these shops to let these people do whatever they want to do to you. You know, learn how to do your own hair. Take the time out. Take that Sunday out and do it yourself, girl. Like, you will start saving so much money, and you can start traveling. You know, I love to travel, so yeah. But do it yourself. Queen DIY say I'm out. Until next time. Bye, best friends.